Achieving a crispy and flavorful bark on your smoked barbecue requires careful attention to detail. We will explore the key steps involved in creating this delicious outer layer on your meat. From selecting the right meat and rub combination to maintaining the ideal smoker temperature, every detail counts. Through our step-by-step guidance, you will learn the techniques to ensure your bark is both crispy and bursting with smoky goodness. Get ready to elevate your barbecue skills and impress your guests with the perfect bark on your smoked creations. Selecting the right cut of meat sets the foundation for a mouth-watering barbecue experience. Whether it's brisket, ribs, or pork shoulder, each cut has unique characteristics that affect the final bark. Pairing the meat with a flavorful rub is essential for enhancing the smoky undertones and adding complexity to the overall taste. The rub acts as the flavor carrier, infusing the meat with a harmonious blend of spices and seasonings that contribute to the creation of a delicious bark. Join us as we delve into the art of choosing the perfect meat cuts and rub combinations for your smoked barbecue delights. The secret to a perfect bark lies in maintaining the ideal smoker temperature throughout the smoking process. Consistency is key to ensure the bark forms properly, developing the desired crispy texture without drying out or becoming burnt. Fluctuations in temperature can impact the smoking outcome, affecting the bark's formation and overall flavor profile. By understanding the importance of controlling the smoker temperature, you can achieve that coveted balance of smoke penetration and bark texture. Join us as we uncover the crucial role of maintaining a steady smoker temperature in creating the ultimate smoked barbecue experience. When it comes to ribs, the 3-2-1 method is a game changer for achieving an impeccable balance of tenderness and bark texture. This popular technique involves 3 stages: 3 hours of smoking unwrapped, 2 hours wrapped in foil to retain moisture, and 1 final hour unwrapped to crisp up the bark. Each stage contributes to the overall flavor development and texture of the ribs, resulting in a mouth-watering barbecue masterpiece. By following the 3-2-1 method, you can elevate your rib smoking game and impress your family and friends with perfectly cooked, flavorful ribs. As we reach the final stages of the smoking process, wrapping up and resting the meat play a crucial role in enhancing the flavors and texture of your barbecue creation. By wrapping the meat in foil or butcher paper towards the end of the smoking session, you allow the juices to redistribute and the flavors to intensify. Resting the meat after smoking is equally essential as it allows the meat to relax, resulting in a more tender and flavorful final product. Join us as we explore the importance of these final steps in ensuring your smoked barbecue delights are at their best when served.